We started the first Store Automator customer visit of the year with a quick drive from Nutley, New Jersey to Alfano, New Jersey, where Vantage is located. Hello, Store Automator fans. We're here at our first customer visit of the year, Vantage. After we arrived, Chris and the floor manager, Janusz, gave us an amazing tour of the Vantage Apparel facility in New Jersey. Their warehouse holds tens of thousands of blanks that are ready to be decorated at a moment's notice, and they customize anything a customer can send them that they don't already stock. The automated embroidery machines can customize a single piece on an individual machine, all the way to nearly 100 pieces an hour on their 8-station machines. I was blown away by the laser cutting machine that trimmed the excess so the embroidered pieces lasted as long as a regular shirt could. Vantage Apparel also does screen printing, which takes longer than embroidery to set up, almost 45 minutes, but they can produce nearly 1,000 pieces an hour once it's going. After our tour, Chris was nice enough to sit down with our CEO Gokhan for an interview. I hope you'll check that out in our next video. Thanks for taking a quick tour of the Vantage Apparel facility with us. Thanks for choosing Store Automator. Have a great day.